Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily remove login screen background wallpaper in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as WinArrowTweaker. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see the second file is the application. Just double click on it. Now just click on next, click on next, click on accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Click on I agree. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So it has a tons of various options. So I'll directly focus on the topic. So just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option, login screen image. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here disable login screen background image. Just select it. Now you can just minimize it. Now on your computer keyboard just press Win plus L. Now you can see the lock screen. Now just click enter. Now you can see the login screen or the sign in screen. Background has been removed. So you can see clearly the wallpaper background is showing completely black. That means we have removed the login screen background wallpaper. So this is how you can easily remove login screen background wallpaper in Windows computer. And if you want to restore it back, then just open the WinArrowTweaker application again and just untick this option and you can minimize it. And once again on your computer keyboard just press Win plus L and hit enter. Now you can clearly see the login screen background wallpaper is showing up again. So by using these cool tricks you can easily remove login screen background wallpaper in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.